Huh?
Ah, yellow. Is this it?
Tam seems happy.
Yes, that's the one.
Well, it's a good thing Tam found her wallet. Police boxes can be found all around the country. The officers posted there look after the safety and security of people in the neighborhood. It's a system that originated in Japan. Today's key phrase is, I lost my wallet.
財布を落としてしまいました。
If you remember this pattern, you'll be able to describe a mistake you've made.
Here's the meaning, word by word. 財布 is wallet. The o that follows is a particle indicating the object. 落としてしまいました means happen to lose. The te form of the verb to lose